Malweni grade 12 learners who are doing economics, the one who are currently doing grade 12 currently, not the rewriters, the ones who are doing grade 12 currently full time. So this video is for them, preparing for them for media examination. I believe next week, the 1st of June, it will be the start of examination, which is the media exams. So video, I'm just going through the topics for paper 1 economics. So obviously, the question paper for learners who are doing grade 12 full time will differ from the question paper that was held by the learners who were rewriting, which is they were writing on the 26th of May. So question paper where learners who are doing grade 12 full time will differ from that question paper, meaning that question paper be balwa rewriters. It was a full question paper. It was a full NSC question paper, right? It was including all the topics for paper 1. But now the question paper that will be that will be wrote by the learners who are currently doing grade 12 now, Yona is include all the topics. Remember, these are include only one main topic, which is macroeconomics, because economic pursuits, I believe, abakazikhavi students ezininzi zizawukwenziwa normally according to ATP, ziyazikhave with third term. So economic pursuits zona zizawu-assesswa ku-third term naku-fourth term, which is now ngo-September, nango-October and November. But now ngo-June, for their paper 1, bazawubhala iphepha eli-assesswe only kwi-topic A1, which is the macroeconomics. Then under macroeconomics, it has 4 subtopics. The first one is circular flow. The second one, business cycle. The third one, public sector. Fourth one, foreign exchange market, which is the international trade. Those are the 4 subtopics ezizawubuzwa paper 1 for economics media examination, because I think most of the exams for paper 1 zizawuqalisa ukubhalwa nge-1st kaJune, abanye babhala nge-3rd, abanye babhala nge-2nd, abanye babhala nge-4th. So bazawubhala paper 1 wabo under macroeconomics. That includes the 4 subtopics: circular flow, business cycle, public sector, foreign exchange markets. Ayizuba khona economic pursuits, right? Then now there are section C, which is the essay questions. There will be question 5 and question 6. Both essays will be essays as the under a main topic in macroeconomics. But those 2 essays as prior, these will differ in terms of the subtopics, right? So I think the possible questions as nobuzwa prior for me, the first one is about under a business cycle, whereby you must be able to discuss in detail the economic paradigm. That essay is under business cycle. The essay that was assessed the upper learners were rewriting, which is the features underpinning, yona technically sure yona ayizubuzwa, because biseyibuziwe kuleni exam ibhalwa zi-learners were rewriting, right? And then the second essay is about essay under a public sector. Le ithi phaya, you must be able to discuss the objectives of the public sector. These are the 2 essays which I think will appear to paper 1 for learners who are currently doing grade 12 full time, able to discuss in detail economic paradigm, discuss objectives of the public sector. So those are the 2 essays which I think surely they will appear, more especially it discuss objectives of the public sector. but ke yona i-economic pursuits i-out, abazuyi-assesswa kuyo apha kwi-mid-year examination, bazo-assesswa kuyo ngoSeptember nango-October, November. Thank you.